A supervolcano isn't just a giant mountain. It's a volcano that can produce eruptions with a magnitude significantly greater than any other volcano. These colossal geological features are characterized by massive calderas, formed when the ground collapses after an eruption empties the magma chamber. Unlike typical cone-shaped volcanoes, supervolcanoes often don't have a visible peak. Their immense power lies hidden beneath the Earth's surface. Their eruptions are measured on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI, typically reaching a catastrophic VEI 8 or higher, truly an apocalyptic event. A single VEI 8 eruption can eject more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of material, enough to bury entire continents under meters of ash. Supervolcanoes form when a hot spot, or plume of magma, rises from deep within the Earth's mantle, nearing the crust. This rising magma accumulates in a vast chamber beneath the surface, slowly melting and fracturing the surrounding rock over millennia. As pressure builds, the ground above may bulge and crack, indicating the immense forces at play before a potential eruption. The Yellowstone caldera in the USA is perhaps the most famous supervolcano, known for its geysers and hot springs, signs of underlying heat. Lake Toba in Indonesia is another example, formed by an eruption 74,000 years ago that created a volcanic winter affecting global climate. The Long Valley caldera in California also presents a significant supervolcanic threat, closely monitored by geologists. An eruption would cause immediate, widespread devastation, burying regions in pyroclastic flows and thick ash layers, making survival impossible. Ash and aerosols injected into the stratosphere would block sunlight, leading to a volcanic winter and global temperature drops for years. This climate disruption would cripple agriculture worldwide, leading to mass famine, societal collapse, and potentially mass extinction events. Scientists constantly monitor supervolcanoes using seismic sensors, GPS, and satellite imagery to detect any changes in activity. While the probability of a super eruption is low in any given year, the potential consequences are so extreme they demand our attention and study.